In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to send email alerts using Salesforce Flow. First, log into your Salesforce account. From the home page, open Quick Settings by clicking the gear icon in the top right. Then select the option to open the full Advanced Setup. In Setup, navigate to Process Automation on the left panel and choose Flows. Flows are Salesforce's no-code automation tool that let you perform actions based on defined conditions, ideal for sending timely email alerts without writing code. Click New Flow. In the dialog, choose Triggered Automations. Triggered automations start on their own when something happens in Salesforce, like a record being created or updated. Next, pick Record Triggered Flow. For the object, type and select Lead so the flow monitors lead records. Set the run mode to Actions and Related Records. This runs the flow after the record is saved, which is necessary for actions like sending emails because the data is committed and available to reference. On the canvas, click the plus icon to add an action. In Salesforce Automation, an action is a task the system performs for you, such as sending an email, creating a task, or updating a record, based on your logic. Choose the Send Email element. Provide a clear label so you can recognize the step later, and note that the API name will populate automatically. Select a sender type. You can send from the current user, a default workflow user, or an org-wide email address. Choose the option that aligns with your organization's email policies, and ensure any address you use is verified and allowed for sending to avoid deliverability issues. If prompted, enter the sender email address. Open Set Email Details to compose your message. Add a concise, informative subject line so recipients immediately understand the alert's purpose. Then write the body of the email. Keep it clear and actionable, and consider using merge fields from the lead, such as name or company, to personalize the message and make it more useful for the recipient. Click Save on the email element. When Salesforce prompts you, provide a flow label that clearly describes what this automation does. The Flow API name will be auto-filled for you. Click Save again to store your flow configuration. Finally, click Activate. Your flow is now live and will send emails when your trigger conditions are met. Quick recap. We opened Setup, went to Flows, created a record-triggered flow on lead, set it to run after save, added a send email action, composed the message, saved our work, and activated the flow. As a tip, test with a sample lead to confirm the alert sends as expected and adjust wording or recipients as needed. Thanks for watching, and subscribe for more.